Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Facebook events for your business. So first you'll be able to Facebook event for your business. Here's how you can get it done. So you click on this, you come to this, come to the left corner, the screen, then scroll down a little, then click on the drop down button, which is the see more button. Once you click on it, you should have an option somewhere around it. And what is event? Event is a way of getting awareness from people about your event. Maybe you have a particular event that is coming up soon, and it's people to be aware. I want them to take part in what you want to do. I just want an involvement in it. This is the best option for you. Just click on it. Alright, here you can see. Okay, good. These are the list of events right here. You can see the River Band 50 anniversary tour. This is an event. You can see if you're interested. You can go and do some booking for you right here. And I want to show this. Just I guess this event has been closed. Okay, I have no idea. I see your file for all these are the events. So right here, just go and create your own event right here. Just create a new event. It's pretty cool. Then move the event, copy anything. So where we go? That's a wedding event, I guess. Okay, keep wedding. Okay, yeah, maybe wedding. Then we're going to set the date from here, configure the date, choose the date. Maybe let's say it's coming up next 30 days. Choose on the 26th, then the time, configure that, right? Configure that. So yes. Okay, maybe let's say 8. Then the GMT, which is the Greenwich Meridian time, right? So depends on you. So right here, so is it the first in person or virtual? Okay, it's virtual. Then you want to make it live also, or you can make it live. Then you have an external link. Add an external link to your. So add a link so people know where to go or where the event starts. So right here you can easily share a link, or if it is an event that can take place online, like for example your wedding will not take place online, even though wedding can take place online, in the sense that you want people to join the event and watch live stuff like that, you can just easily create a video link using your Zoom or it depends, and just paste the link. But since there is no link right here, I'm just putting something else, including clear instruction, event details. So right here you can see, you can see it. You can configure privacy level for the event. Let's say friends, you want private, you want public, you want friends, you want groups. So just can't pick public. Then right here you can easily add details and add co-host. You can add co-host. Or the host, can add the host, the person hosting the event. If it's event, it's going to be under prepared format. Never, yes, because it's just going to be once. That's it. Then you can add the end date and end time. Then you also add this. Wow, this feature is new. Additional settings, which is okay. Let's go and see. Show your guest list. Yeah, good. Only host can host an event, which is good, not only the host. Then post must be approved by host whenever people want to post an event, and also post and comment related as potential spam will be held for your review, which is good. Then after that, you create an event, and that's it. If I need you helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.